Hey guys, Rob from Merlin. I'm here today to show you how to extend a Commander belt rail with a 1 metre extension. Let's get into it. Okay, we've got our standard belt rail, we have our 1 metre extension with a new belt, and we have our connecting piece. Now we're going to start by dismantling the rail. Split the inner trolley. Now we can slide it all apart. Remove the inner trolley. Pull the old belt completely out of the rail. This can now be discarded. Okay, I've now switched the rail around 180 degrees. I'm at the other end, at the motor end of the rail. I need to remove this part so I can insert my new belt. Now I've taken my new belt. Now I have to start at one end, making sure that I've got the right end of the belt. It's important that we have this little positioning tab fed in the right way and located on the right side of the rail as we reassemble the rail with the new belt. So I feed that through there, like so. Now I'm ready to start putting it all back together. Okay, I'm ready now to flip the rail over and start joining the two pieces together. Okay, what we've done is I've just spun the rail back around 180 degrees, so I'm now at the door end of the rail. We've fed the belt in, making sure that the pass point is on the right side of the rail. We can now start to put the extension in. So what I do now is I pick up my joining sleeve, slide that on. You'll notice there's two little tabs when you start putting the rail together. They need to be positioned and lined up because they're the tabs that we fold once we've got the rail back together, holds the sleeve from sliding up and down. Okay, we've put our two halves together with our joining sleeve. I'm now ready to put the inner trolley in. Okay, we're going to put the inner trolley back inside the rail as we start to reassemble the rail now. Slide him down. Take the return pulley. Now you'll notice that you have extra rail. That will need to be cut before we make the final assemble. Finger tight for now. Okay, now we're ready to connect the two halves of the belt. Making sure our rail's together. We'll flip it over and bend the tags at the end. So I've got one end of my belt, I've got the other end of my belt. Now, make note that you only cut one end of the belt, not the end of the belt with the pass point. The extra belt we're not going to use. So we position our yellow trolley. We then stretch that. I need to cut about 1 metre off that belt. We give you around about 8 metres of belt from memory. So I'm just going to chop that there with a chisel. Now two pieces together. Okay, flip the rail over and fold over the tags. This then stops the rail from coming apart. So we lift these tags up. Then we flip the rail back over. Last job is to just tension the belt. We allow a distance between this little piece here and the washer, somewhere between 37 millimeters and 42 millimeters for spring tension. There you have it. So there you go, guys. We've just now extended a Commander belt rail with a 1 metre extension. If you have any more questions, please just contact Merlin.